Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. Well, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago, and actually I made a watercolor type image from this basic image a couple months ago with Fresco. Well, this time I want to try oil paint like image from this. I have this image, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. I may use this layer too later on. Well, let's get started. I'm going to turn this pencil drawing type layer off now, and I'm going to duplicate this layer, then turn base image off. Then I'm going to work on this image. Now I'm going to use oil paint brush and oil paint detail. Then no color, only sort of smudging type. Just get the texture of this oil paint brush. Now size is too big, so make it smaller. I gotta convert to pixel layer. This. Now we can work on here. From outside of the edge. Chunky. Let's see. Yeah, kind of looks okay. Let's go with chunky. Well, this is interesting part. The movement of the hair. This floating, moving shape. That's really interesting. I'm only using it oil paint chunky all the way. Alright, almost done for model. Okay, now I go for background now. Okay, I'm gonna add a layer, then paint on this highlight. Pretty nice gold. Okay, I'm gonna add some white as a highlight, I'm gonna emphasize some Alright, now go background. Well, I'm gonna add another layer for background. Then change brush to oil paint flat. Just intuition, right? I don't know what kind of background is. Oh well, pick up some this color. Oil paint round. Well, I'm gonna change some blend mode. What's this one? This one is highlight on hair, and this is background now. I painted pretty much, huh? Then let's see if I see something interesting. There is something background, huh? On this image, base image. I just don't see because of the density too dark. But I divide this data, shows background. Wow, that's kind of X-ray type image, huh? Even so, just not that interesting though. Linear dodge, you see the background. Well, you can play around some. Okay, just leave it here and let's see this one now. This here, highlight. Yeah, kind of overlay. Okay, just 80% or so. Then now I'm gonna turn on this pencil drawing type image. Now change to, well, we have overlay this. Okay, now turn this one off. Then I want to check this image opacity tone down. I'm gonna just use this layer which I painted on before. That's now its opacity 100. Saturation. Well, either way, I can use as a saturation or color. I'm gonna think about this later and just turn it off now. Then, okay, I'm gonna add layer. Then I'm gonna paint it on this layer, new one. I'm gonna make gradation. We can do it somehow. I'm gonna check white 100. Then let's go from outside. It's gonna be fun. Well, about this brick color, kinda reddish color, I want to change this color to be different one. So I'm gonna color adjusting hue saturation. Let's see on this underneath this base color. More desaturated, then lighten up. Change the color to how about this? Well, how about makes one color. Not much interesting. How about change the blend mode? Well, I'm not gonna use this layer. I said I'm gonna do it again. Okay, go back. I'm gonna just delete this back. Delete this. Now add for background. One layer add. Then change this blend mode to color. Now on this layer I'm gonna use oil paint glaze. Now I'm gonna change to blue. We can mix up all the colors here to make some background colors. Well, let's see, brown. More yellowish. Let's see. This is luminosity, saturation, hue, divide, subtract, pin light, overlay. Yeah, we cannot add a blend mode. Only color can go this. This is interesting. See, and just like key light. Well, and also I may turn this one on so we can see the background. Let's see. You see some more. Yeah, overlays, interesting. Now, but this is only 50%. Okay, about 25%. 30 is to go. Okay, let's make 30% for this, and I'm gonna hide some, make mask. Okay, create empty mask. Hide here. First of all, well, change the brush to, no, that's fine. Soft brown opacity. Just lighten up the background. Then maybe I'm gonna change some colors, or maybe go down just 60% for background color. Then let's see, I'm gonna make more darker here. Yeah, I guess this is alright. Okay, well, and we have, what's this? This one is test. Okay, just delete. This one delete. This one too. We don't need that. And this is color, and this is the background, but I'm gonna delete this. So this one is the hair, right? Touch. Well, I can emphasize this one now. Let's see. This one is overlay. Touch. So how about vivid light? Okay, overlay is fine. And also this one is overlay effect. This one shows background more, just touch lighter. Well, I guess that's it for today. Yeah. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea to make your own creative work. And see you next time. Good day, guys. Bye now. Ciao.